Summer is almost over now and feels like fall is in the air. And this is what's happening in my garden. Giant sunflowers. I really enjoy sunflowers this summer in my garden. And these are marigold. And tomato plants are already cleaned up. And these are a little bit of leftover of string beans. And cucumber plants are gone, and that's eggplants, which I may clean up pretty soon. And these are fall crops. Green onions and zinnias, they're still doing good, beautifully blossoming. And petunias and green onions. And Goya, bitter melon, nice looking, still harvesting, pretty good. And that's pumpkins. We'll see how it goes because my garden doesn't have enough room, but hopefully some nice fruits. These are chives and komatsuna and chard. Chard is doing great all season here, summer and fall. These are nasturtium. And kale. Kale is kind of looking shabby. Bug bite. Okay, these are a couple of tomato plants I planted much later in the season and see how it goes. There's still some green fruits there. And if the weather is nice, I can still harvest some tomatoes into fall. And peppermint, oregano, and marjoram. These are herbs. And rosemary. I planted it in the coffee bean barrel. And I just harvested nice looking Goya, bitter melon, and chard, chives, and zinnia. And I was about to leave the garden, then guess what I saw? Hummingbird. They're still coming to my garden, obviously, for their meal. Petunias.